How to make consistent characters with RenderNet AI. In this video, we're going to be talking about RenderNet AI and how you're going to make consistent characters with it. So if you want to actually go ahead and create proper characters, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to first of all choose a genre or niche. So it could be fashion influencer, fitness model, travel vlogger. Let's say I want a movie character. So I'm going to come over here and you're going to upload any reference photo. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a reference photo of my own. And once we have added that reference photo, we're going to see how it actually pans out. Okay, so let's go ahead with a picture like, let me go ahead with, something like this. Now, once we upload the photo, you do have to make sure that the person in the photo is, clearly seen. So once we add that, we are going to go ahead, choose the processor. It could be a depth model, could be canny, open pose, normal, line art. So I'm going to go with normal. Then we have this. I'm going to keep this on depth. Control mode, let's keep it on prompt is more important. And then you have resize mode. I'm just going to go ahead with crop and resize. And here I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. So once you click on generate, you are going to make sure that the proper prompts are done. Make sure that it's male or just, any gender that you're supposed to be picking with the actual reference photo. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Middle Eastern. Body type, we're going to go with muscular. We're going to go with a young adult. Hair type, we're going to go with curly. Okay. Then we have hair color. We're going to go with black. Style, you can go with any of these. I'm going to go ahead with, let's go with formal. And then you have background. You could go with anything. I'm going to go with cafe. I'm going to click on use this prompt, and then we're going to click on generate. And once you click on generate, in that case, that will start generating your proper design. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. That is how you can add your prompts in your RenderNet AI and create consistent characters. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.